Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you use the Tor browser and save passwords for websites, it is important to protect them with an extra layer of security. Tor browser includes a feature called primary password, which protects all your saved logins and passwords. When you enable a primary password, you must enter it before Tor can access your saved credentials. In this video, I will show you a step by step how to enable or disable use a primary password in Tor browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get started. First open Tor browser and then click on the triple line horizontal triple line menu in the top right corner and select here settings. Under Tor settings, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, under passwords section, you will find option use a primary password. Check this one option to enable. Now it will prompt you for entering the master password. Enter a new password and reconfirm it. After that, click on the OK button to enable master password on your Tor browser. Now whenever Tor browser needs access to saved passwords, it will ask for the primary password first. If you want to disable it later, simply uncheck this one option that says use a primary password option and enter your current primary password to confirm. This adds an extra layer of protection to your saved logins and improves your privacy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.